Audiotherapy using solfeggio frequencies has been a very effective alternative to heal physically, emotionally, and spiritually since ancient times. Using these sounds directly in the water makes beautiful crystalline hexagons similar to snowflakes observed through an electron microscope. Following the research of Dr. Masaru Emoto, who subject the water to different states of tension, he visualized beautiful hexagons in the clean and crystalline water, then took a sample of contaminated water and observed a distorted image. By subjecting the water to the solfeggio frequencies, we observe that it behaves in a pleasant way. The same thing happens with our body. Since we are made up of 60 to 70% water, we also react positively when listening to these frequencies. Each solfeggio frequency has a different healing power, and it is no coincidence that the addition and reduction of the numbers of each one results in the numbers 3, 6, 9, which are the ones that Nikola Tesla claimed are the key to understanding the secrets of the universe. Since these frequencies generate high vibrations of healing, harmony and peace. Below I explain the three most important frequencies. For 32 Hz, the frequency of rejuvenation and renewal of cells. This sound is a binaural, which means it is a sound wave. It helps stimulate cells to produce melatonin and serotonin. These hormones are responsible for repairing sleep cycles and sleeping well, also for generating vitality, energy, and keeping the pineal gland healthy and open third eye. This frequency also stimulates the production of the hormone DHEA, responsible for rejuvenation, improving physical performance, avoiding depression and menopause symptoms in women. 528 Hz health, healing, divine consciousness, clarity, love. It is the frequency of physical and emotional healing, bioenergy and longevity. This subtle sound harmonizes us with divinity, with the vibration of love, restores human consciousness. Your mind becomes clearer and you can make better decisions, you find answers, everything is seen more clearly. It serves to prevent diseases and solve some if you listen with faith. 777 Hz frequency of miracles, abundance, manifest. It is a very energetic frequency that, apart from aligning your 7 chakras, helps you manifest, you achieve peace, harmony, relieve stress, anguish, you connect with the universo.it is used to improve memory, concentration and learning in addition to detoxifying the body. Other benefits of listening to the 777 Hz frequencies include attracting good luck and abundance, promoting positive changes and bringing miracles to your life. It can also be useful for angelic healing. Instructions for use. These frequencies are artistically designed, they are not similar to those uploaded on YouTube. Its use requires headphones at a volume no greater than 50% depending on their sensitivity. Listen to the audio for 2 days. If you acquired all 3 frequencies, alternate and listen for 7 days each. Listen preferably before going to sleep, with your eyes closed, sitting in a quiet place with semi-light or lying down. Do not manipulate thoughts, relax.